Hello everyone, I am Jaya from AnZC and my topic is fish, types of fish as well as classification of fish. Classification of fish. Here the flowchart explains the classification of fish. Fish is divided into finfish and shellfish. And finfish is mainly divided into fresh H2O as well as salt H2O. And shellfish is divided into crustacea and mollusca. Moving to next slide. Coming to fish. What is fish actually? Fish is a cold-blooded aquatic organism. Here cold-blooded means the is defined as animals that cannot regulate their internal body temperature with the change in the body environment. Here the fish is divided into finfish and shellfish. Finfish is a aquatic vertebrate that have gills with fins with rays and scales covering the body. Shellfish are defined as creatures which has shellfish and live in the sea. They are aquatic invertebrates. Moving to next slide. Here is the picture about finfish and this is a shellfish. Moving to next slide. Here, edible fish are categorized as either finfish or shellfish. The term finfish refers to the fishes that have bony skeleton. Most finfish comes from salt water. However, Great Lakes and inland water add considerable amounts to the total catch. Edible fish are mainly saltwater fish. Shellfish is used to design both molluscans and crustaceans and shellfish are highly perishable. They are best when purchased directly from the fisherman. They may be expensive at shops, inland areas, etc. because of their very shortage life. Their consumption and demand for shellfish, especially shrimps and prawns, has increased since frozen products became widely available. Crustacea have legs with partially jointed other shells. They include crabs, lobsters, prawns, and shrimps. Then, the dense coarse flesh is found mainly in the claws and tail. Example lobster and crab. Their flesh is not digestible as other types of fish. Lobsters and crabs the best kept alive up to the point of their cooking or freezing. Otherwise, they are deteriorate in quality in a matter of a day or less. Moving to next slide. Types of fish. How many types of fishes are there? No one really knows how many different types of fish exist in the world. More are being discovered constantly. We may soon have over 35,000 or even 40,000 known species. There are three main types of fish. Bony fishes, 1,000 or even 40,000 known species. There are three main types of fish. Bony fishes, cartilaginous fishes, and jawless fishes. Moving to next slide. Bony fish, jawless fish and cartilaginous fish. Here. First, bony fish. Bony fish make up about 95% of all fishes. Their backbone, skulls, ribs, jaw, gills, arches and fin supports are all made from bone. Most of these fish also have gas-filled chamber called a swim bladder, which inflates or deflates to control buoyancy. Buoyancy here it means plays significant role in determining a fish ability to swim efficiently. For example, tuna, Atlantic cod, red lionfish, as well as seahorses. And cartilaginous fish. Cartilaginous fish include fish like sharks. They have skeleton made of very strong cartilage. For example, whale shark, basking shark, great white shark, skates. Moving to next slide, jawless fish. Jawless fish, there are only two types of these left Living today, they are the hagfish and lampreys. The two groups lack jaws and instead have sucking mouth parts. Example, hagfish and lampreys. Thank you. Now my friend Saniya will explain you about selection of fish.
Hello everyone, my name is Saniya Begum and my topic is about selection of fish and shellfish. Introduction. From lettuce to chicken to bread, almost the freshness of food is depend on the quality of food. As fish is a fragile creature, the word fragile means that which can be easily been broken, and also the quality of fish begins to deteriorate within minutes of it has been taken out from water. As like other food, it is also important to know how to buy fresh fish. Some of the indications to decide whether the fish is fresh or not are: skin. It should be shiny and of good color. Color. For white fish, the color should be white, not faintly yellow. Whi- Weight. The body weight should be proportionate in comparison with the length of the fish and should be springy. Springy means elastic. Eyes. It should be absolutely fresh and not and fresh and bright, not shrunken. Gills. It should be bright red in color. Finger marks. As finger marks remains after preservation, then the fish is considered as stagnant. Flesh. Raw flesh should not come out from the bone. Scale should not come out very easily. Tails. The tail should be stiff in nature. In this image, it describes how the freshness of fish degrades as it kept out for a longer time. As it starts losing its freshness, after reaching 15th day, the eyes become shrunken, the flesh becomes brown and the tail starts to bend. Selection of shellfish. Prawns. It should have strong color and contain no unpleasant smell. Scallops. Pinkish white or pale yellow, feel firm, give off clear liquid. Oysters. Tightly closed and heavy for their size, shell should not be cracked. Thank you.